Okay, so tonight's homework is problem solving with setting up an algebraic equation. It can be quite difficult. I did tell the students that they're not allowed to drive their parents crazy, do the best they can. So anyways, for number 1, they give the total amount of weight of groceries. And then they tell you that in the bag, they tell you 2 of the 3 things total weight. So this is how the equation should be set up. The total weight equals component A, component B, and component C. So this is trying to get the kids to start thinking more algebraically. Then they would take the total of A and B, take it off of the 7.5, and what they're left with would be C. For number 3, they give you distances. So they start with telling you that from distance 1 to distance 2 is 10 3/5. And then distance 3 to distance 4, or 2 to 3, is 12.5. So then they tell you from distance 1 all the way to 3, or to the new distance, is 35 miles. So what they're trying to have you start is from distance 1 to 2 is A, distance 2 to 3 is B, and then they want you to go from A to C. So you would take the total, just like problem number 1, the total is 35 miles, which equals distance A plus distance B plus distance C. Those 3 distances give you this total. So it would be 35 equals A plus B plus C would be the variable in this case. Then they would have to take their total from A and B, subtract it from this total to get C. Once they get in the habit of this, it really does start to look a little more simplistic. Now this is going back to our first problem. Once they add distance A and distance B, they're going to have to convert to common denominators, and they're going to have to regroup, but at this point all of those skills have been taught. So if you notice your seeker tonight is struggling with a skill that's already been taught, converting to common denominators or subtraction with regrouping, that would be a great opportunity for you to help them. Thank you again for all you do at home.